Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Old paper MCQ series part number 13. Which country becomes the 31st member of NATO? Finland. Which country becomes the 31st member of NATO is Finland. First woman Chief Justice of Peshawar High Court is Musarrat Hilali. First woman Chief Justice of Peshawar High Court is Musarrat Hilali. Prime meridian does not pass from Asia. Prime meridian does not pass from Asia. Who was the first principal of MAO College in Ali? Henry Siddons. Who was the first principal of MAO College in Aligarh? Henry Siddons. Who was the first principal of Anglo-Oriental College? Theodore Beck. Who was the first principal of Anglo-Oriental College? Theodore Beck. मिर्जा रुस्वा के किस नावल को पहला नफसियाती नावल करार दिया गया? जान अदा। मिर्जा रुस्वा के नावल उमर जान अदा को पहला नफसियाती नावल करार दिया गया। Who is the Vice President of America? Kamala Harris. Who is the Vice President of America? Kamala Harris. Where was Allama Iqbal given the title of Sir? In Lahore. Where was Allama Iqbal given the title of Sir? In Lahore. Who was CM of Punjab in India after 1936 and 37 election? Sikandar Hayat Khan. CM of Punjab in India in 1936 and 37 election is Sir Sikandar Hayat Khan. The Wailing Wall is situated in Eurasia. Which country to ban English in official communication? Italy. Italy banned the English for official communication. Continent which has no active volcanic region is Australia. Continent which has no active volcanic region is Australia. The oldest seaport of Pakistan is Karachi Port, Port Qasim, Gwadar. Port Qasim. The oldest seaport of Pakistan is Port Qasim. Florence city is located in which country? Italy. Florence city is located in Italy. Who is the author of the famous book Daughter of Destiny? Bhutto. Daughter of Destiny author is Benazir Bhutto. The Kashful Majoob was written by Tata Ganj al Maroof. Merani Dam is located on which river? Dasht. Merani Dam is located in Dasht river. Samila Khan is famous player of hockey. Samila Khan is famous player of hockey. The inaugural session for the first Constitutional Assembly of Pakistan was chaired by J. N. Mandal. Jogendra Nath Mandal was chaired by first Constitutional Assembly of Pakistan session. He is the Minister of Law. Who discovered penicillin? Fleming. Who discovered penicillin? Alexander Fleming. Who is the current IG of National Highway and Motorway Police? Sultan Ali Khwaja. IG of National Highway and Motorway Police is Sultan Ali Khwaja. तशबीह किस सन्फ़ शायरी का अहम जुज़ है? कसीदा। तशबीह किस सन्फ़ शायरी का अहम जुज़ है? कसीदा। खाकमे बदन में कुल कितने खाके शामिल हैं? 8. Which of the following is used in fire extinguisher? Dioxide gas. Which of the following is used in fire extinguisher? Carbon dioxide. French Revolution was occurred in 1789 and to 1799. French Revolution was occurred in 1789 to 1799. Thank you very much.